Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Agronomy Doc channel. What we have going on here is harvest day today to try and beat the rain that's coming tomorrow. And what's coming off today? Well, we've taken our ultra early plots off of what's called test 320 and the winter wheat plots. And so Sherry, if you scan back behind us there, you'll see the big plots standing are the conventionally seeded spring wheats. And then Warren, and I don't know who else is in there bagging, but that's the system right there. One person's in there bagging the samples, and Warren's taking off the experiment we talked about earlier about ultra late seeding of winter wheat. And in that case, it includes our Canada Western Red Winter Cold Front, an Eastern Canadian Soft White Winter, and then that German Winter Durum as well. So you can just pop up there and get a closer view, and then we'll have a little chat. Do you know what your moisture is?
Depends on the plot. Mostly it's about 15.
What was 320? The winter wheat and the ultra early.
About 15.
Coming off at 15?
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know.
If there's weeds in it, it'd be a little higher.
Okay.
That's just from the weeds.
Good. Well, just thought we'd say hi. Didn't want to slow you up.
Things are going well.
So yeah, the plot comes off in a bag like that, right there. And once it's full, then they offload it into the truck. And this is what you get as a sample. There's your soft white winter. Seeds are looking a little smallish. That's kind of to be expected after this year. So anyway, we'll update you with the post-harvest measurements and all this stuff a little bit later.